So this guy is trying to be seen in, you know, like sunrise show. I assume that's what it is in there. And that's the show that's on right now. It's just freaking crazy. Who would have thought a typhoon hit here 2 nights ago? I hope you get to give them the flowers, dude. Cube bullet train. Wait for it. Wait for it. Look at it, it's so awesome.
You've already got everything.
No, I don't. What do you mean I have everything? Come on. Yeah! Pick it up! Pick it up, dude! What the freak? That's gypped.
That is bullshit.
That's gypped. Nicholas Allen buys, for the record, a leopard print snapback. Do you want to add a man bag to that? Will you ever carry a man bag?
I'll show you the bag.
Oh, a man bag. What are these ones? Freaking awesome store. Yep, you saw it first here. Snapback, blazer, trackies, man bag. Japanese fashion. So I think I might be in love with Tokyo because look what I found. It's for your phone! It's a hoodie for your phone! All these things behind me. But I think that has my name all over it. And it's freaking awesome turntables. Headphones. Giving Nick a wardrobe.
There you are. Knock the head out of it.
Bro, there is unicorn power everywhere. And trolls. Oh my god, you can have like cats on your knees. Crazy. Craziness. What's this? This looks good.
Looks pretty cool.
Let's try. That's Italian though, it's a pizzeria. This one. Let's do it. Really? I know I'm off the wall, but do they have to keep... Really? Just everywhere. Everywhere. This is awesome. Sushi train me up. Yes, that would be good.
We can just, I just ordered some stuff, we can just mix it up.
Mackerel. Horse mackerel. Ooh, horse mackerel? No, that can't be. Don't.
Might actually be more, see what they're doing.
No, that's fucking Ew. Fatty salmon. Is this soy sauce tap?
No.
What the hell are you doing? Making me green tea.
Steam.
So it's a tap. Hot water. Why do you need to push the button?
Dressing.
Yours is flashing. Thank you. There's something flying. Woohoo! Hey, get mine. How did you order 5 plates of stuff
I don't know.
and mine hasn't come out?
Yeah. Eat.
Awesome. Coming my way around the bend.
You want a bicycle?
Woohoo! Boom.